close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And I scream your name. Hello, hello, do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call?
Okay guys, just wanted to announce something. Since I'm not gonna be uploading daily like I used to, I'm just gonna upload weekly. I have a new plan for a segment. I am gonna call this segment Meme of the Day. Basically, there's gonna be 3 rounds of memes that I've selected out the best, which will make you laugh, I hope. And yeah, let's get right into it.
John Cena accidentally says you can't see me to a blind kid. Shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that. Studies show